Ngayon, isang tanong na lamang po, yung 55 million na ginastos nyo para sa EDSA Puera Ad, saan po galing yon?
Ako po ang nag-provide noon, binigay ko yung cash kay Mr. Greg Garcia. Yung aming PR, siya yung
Si
aming
Greg
PR.
pa gumawa nun?
Oo.
Saan po galing yung 55 million?
Pera ko po yun. Contribution sa akin ng mga kaibigan, mga supporters namin.
So mga $1 million po yun, di ba?
More or less po. Opo.
So personal, magkano po sa 55 million ang pera ninyong personal?
Mga kalahati po nun.
So mga 26.
More or less.
Sorry, mali.
More or less. 55, mga 27 point,
Sorry,
27.5.
polisay lang po ako. Hindi ako math major tulad ni Senator Pimentel. Yung kalahati, saan galing yung bulto? Ano yung pinakamalaking contribution?
Yung bulto nga po, ako po ang nagpondo nun.
Yung kalahati na nga po.
Yung kalahati, maraming mga contributors.
Mga tigma
donors.
magkano po?
May mga nagbigay ng 1 million, may nagbigay ng 500,000, may nagbigay ng 2 million.
Pwede niyo po bang banggitin kung sino yung mga nagbigay ng milyon?
I don't recall right now.
Pero pwede ninyong handa naman yung committee tanggapin pag nabigay ninyo yung record.
Can my lawyer be the one to answer that?
Who is your lawyer, by the way? Is Attorney Abisado, who
Abisado.
seems to be coaching you here as your counsel or as a resource person?
Madam Chair, I really apologize. Please, because Mr. Noel Oñate has difficulty hearing. That's why I keep on repeating what the good Senator Escudero has been asking.
Thank you, sir.
I just really, Your Honor, I do not coach. I'm really sorry.
So may we know that the million peso contributors, yung 1 million and above lang po.
I have to ask them if I can give their names.
Sige, dahil ang problema dyan, di ba may donors tax din dyan, Senator Cheese?
Yan yung math major, oh.
Oh, di, nagbayad ba sila ng donors tax?
I can compute the amount because that's math. Pero ang tanong legal eh.
No,
there
kindly
should be my opinion, Madam Chair. There should be
kindly inquire, sir, if they consent.
6%.
And we will also research if we can compel. The reason why perhaps the committee can compel disclosure is because, public interest demands accountability and transparency. Hindi ito isang bagay na kinakahiya. Tulad nga ng sinabi ni Congressman Garbin kanina, noon pa niya paborito, noon pa niya gusto to. Chairman pa lang siya ng Constitutional Amendments. And in fact, it's the first time that I see, I thought Congressman Garbin was one of your lawyers, but apparently he's one of the conveners. But it's the first time that I saw him. So, this matter of PI, if you really believe in it, it's not something that you should be ashamed or embarrassed about. The same is true with your donors. And on the part of the public, on our part, well, accountability and transparency dictate that we should know who are the people behind it. Let me give you some advice, Mr. Oñate, if you really believe in charter change. For me, I may be wrong. The main reason why PIRMA has failed in its past attempts, and probably even this one, is because people don't trust those who are supposedly behind it because they're always hiding behind someone else. So it's an opportunity for your donors as well to come out and be proud of that. I will not fault them for believing in something that I disagree with, for example. In fact, I will respect them for coming out in the open. Kumbaga, kung ayaw nilang lumabas, wala silang pinagkaiba doon sa mga nakatestigo kanina nakamasker at nakashades. Hindi naman po siguro ganun yun. Wala naman silang inaakusan na krimen na ginawa. This is something I believe that they should stand up and be counted for. Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Mr. Oñate. I hope you will talk to your donors.
The bulk of the money came from me. So,
Yes, I
we
think-
take note of that, sir.
the bulk of the money came from me.
Thank you.
Madam Chair, for the record, on the responses of the resource persons to Senchi's brief manifestation,
Yes, if
salamat.
Senator Cheese is done?
Agyamanak,
Thank you,
Agyamanak,
Senator
Madam
Risa.
Chair. I think narinig po nating lahat yung mga sagot ng ating mga resource persons mula sa PIRMA, Attorney Garbin kay Senchis. Punong-puno ng pagkalito at saka disagreement. And I will ask questions on that later, but I wish to note that this confusion, this disagreement, is brought about precisely because there's no sufficient enabling law for people's initiative. Only Congress can provide the rules. And as of today, we have not yet, Madam Chair, for the record. Again,
Madam Chair, can I answer? Being one of the petitioner of this.
I'm sorry, I think we have many resource persons led by Justice Carpio, Justice Ascuna, and the rest who will respond to that query later on. May I proceed with
Yeah,
Mr.
Madam Chair.
Oñate? Yes, Senator.
At any rate, pwede naman mag-position paper or
Yes,
memorandum sila,
we
Attorney
will
Garbin,
welcome
on
your
that issue.
position paper,
alright.
Attorney Garbin.
Madam Chair, just
on the point of there's no enabling law.
He's not been
This
recognized.
is a matter of debate, and we simply
sige.
have no time at this hearing.
There's a developing consensus over here, Madam Chair, that we can compel our resource person, Mr. Oñate, to divulge the names of his donors. 12:30 p.m. pa lang naman, hindi pa naman tayo patapos. He can call his office to get the names. The names must be divulged to this committee this afternoon before we end. Dapat ganun. Oo. Kasi tama, narinig namin yung kay Senator Chis, and I hope Mr. Oñate agrees with Senator Chis. Public, ganun to eh. Public issues. Public issues, wag mahiya yung nag-donate. Oh.
Yeah, Mr. Senator, I already disclosed or I already admitted that the bulk of the money came from me.
Pero kalahati
So
lang po
you
yun.
have a partial compliance. We need full compliance. So,
Kasi yung mga ibang amount naman, maliliit na.
di bali po, ako na po magsusuma total doon sa sige po. Yung 27.5 million ang ating account po. Sige po. So, what do we do with that matter, Madam Chair? I think we should compel the
No, I think
we
that's
should
now a
compel the-
motion,
Yes,
and we therefore compel Mr. Oñato to produce the said documents at the soonest possible time. Yes, Attorney Avisado, please.
Yeah, you have to give me time to talk to them kasi ako naman lang mapapahiya sa mga kung banggitin ko yung mga pangalan nila,
Kasasabi lang po ng minority leader before 2 p.m. sana this afternoon. Magsesesyon pa kami eh. At saka madali naman yun eh.
Madam Chair,
Naka-record naman yan.
may I